Hello friends, welcome to BISP Solution. My name is Lokesh Gandhi, and today's session we are going to see overview of product genealogy in Oracle Fusion Supply Chain Management manufacturing application. The product genealogy features enables you to capture and view the genealogy data for the various transactions related to lot control, serialized product, and component. And the transaction can be inventory transaction, work order operation transaction, work order material transaction, and you can track the product genealogy data throughout the complete life cycle, starting from the raw material to the finished product and then to the customer. And the genealogy data can help you to get information so that you can identify the source and the scope of the problems. You can identify the relevance piece of information for the failure and to identify the other item that may be impact due to the relationship or a common origin. And you can also provide the location of the item during its life cycle. So in the product genealogy, we have some features to enable you to search and view the genealogy instance. And you can also view the relationship between the genealogy instance. You can view the detailed information of item lot number and item serial number. And you can also view the transaction history of the genealogy instance based on the item lot number and the item serial number, right? So let's move on to the instance and we'll see the features of product genealogy in the Oracle Fusion Supply Chain Management manufacturing application. So this is our instance. Click on the navigator and go to the supply chain execution. Click on the work execution. And this is our manufacturing organization 002. Click on the task list. And we have an option. We have the option review product genealogy. Click on that. Right. So now you can search and view the genealogy details of the product on the review product genealogy page. And this page serves as a starting point to view the genealogy instance and their relationship and the transaction history. So let's click on the show filters. And you can search by the lot number, serial number, either item, right? So let's search by the item. And we have the item. Search, select the record, click OK. Right. And you can sort by the lot and serial number, item, organization date. So let's sort by the lot and serial number. Click on search. Right. So these are the item information, and we have sort the information based on the lot and serial number. You can see this is the serial number and this is the item number, right? And these are the organization date, document, and we have more information, right? And you can perform some action for each product genealogy record. And the action like information, genealogy detail, and the transaction history. You can see over here, click on this action. So we have the three options: information, genealogy details, and the transaction history, right? So under the information action option, it will show you the detailed information such as lot number, serial number details, organization name, ship date, customer name, supplier name, all the information, right? And under the genealogy details action option, it provides the genealogy details such as the relationship between the genealogy instance, right? And at the last option, that is transaction history, it will show you the transaction history of the product genealogy records. So let's see one by one. So let's go to the second option and we have, right, all three are enabled. Let's click on the information. So these are the information of this product and these are the serial number. These are the serial number, item number, organization name, and we don't have the ship date, customer information, supply number. It will show if we have the information, it will show the ship date, customer, and the supplier name over here, and also the supplier serial number, right? This is the information. Click on done. Now let's click on the second action, that is genealogy details. Click on that. Now you can view the product genealogy details such as the relationship between the genealogy instance, right? And this graphical view shows the genealogy hierarchy, the parent-child relationship between the component and the assembly. You can see these are the component and this is the item, right? And you can also drill down to the view the additional information and related information, like you can click on, double click on this, and you can see like you can see the information, right? And click on done. This is the genealogical details, right? And let's click on the last but not the least, transaction history. Click on that. Right. So on this transaction history page, you can view the transaction history of the specific lot or serial number. You can see the transaction history in the display in the form of map, and you can filter based on the source and the source transaction type, right? And you can click on the transaction link. You can see over here, these are the transaction link over here, right? For the more details, right? And you can view the transaction history detail within the range of hours and the half years, right? And we have the operation completion, and we have the material issue, right? Let's click on this link and it will show the detailed information of this operation completion, right? You can see this is the product transaction history. This is the order number, operations, transaction date, transaction type, items, right? And you can also view more information by click on show all, right? You can see, right? Click on done. And let's click on some more information. This is the material issue. Click on that. So these are the material issue. These are the product information, the history of this material, right? This transaction type is material issue. These are the item number. These are the component resource, right? You can see all the information. Right? Click on done. So this is the transaction history details of this item, right? So click on done. So this is the overview of product genealogy in the Oracle Fusion manufacturing application, right? So thanks for watching this video. Thank you so much.